Students, welcome to zoology class. Today, in this video, we will discuss about the cancer or tumor immunology. You know that tumor. What is tumor? All the tumors are not cancer, but the tumor may become cancer. So what is tumor? Nothing but in this unit. So how the tumor, a normal cell, becomes a cancerous cell? What are the properties? And what are the types of tumors? Or what are the types of cancers? So these are the things we will discuss. So first of all, you should know what is tumor. You know that a cell, just imagine this is a cell. So nucleus. So this cell has some properties. A normal cell has some properties. What are the properties? The cell will grow. All the cells inside the body will multiply, divide and growth. It's a normal process takes place inside the cells. But these cells have some limitations. The growth of cells, the multiplication of cells are regulated with some mechanisms. It will not continuous growth. So wherever the growth is needed, it will grow. Wherever the growth will stop, it will stop. So some mechanisms are there inside the cell which regulate the growth and differentiation of cells. That is called regulatory mechanisms. So is the normal property of cells. So what happens here? The cell will grow, so it will divide, like this it will divide. So there is a mechanism for growth and differentiations. Sometimes what happens, this regulatory mechanism will absent. So that what happens? The cell will continuously grow and also differentiate. Not only growth, it also disturbs the other cells, disturbs the other healthy cells. So this will cause cancer. So this is the simplest explanation of cancers. So now we will discuss what is tumor, how the tumor becomes cancer or malignant tissues. So these are the things we will discuss now. See here students, tumor nothing but, otherwise you can say neoplasm. Let's cover neoplasm. What is tumor? A group of cells whose growth has gone unchecked. That means each cell will grow up to certain extent. It will not grow to next. So there is a mechanism already I told you. So it has unchecked growth. Simply you can say it is a unchecked growth. Each normal cell has a check. Where to grow, how to grow, when to grow, like this. So here what happens? There is no check. So it's an unchecked growth is called what? Tumor. Other is called neoplasm. This tumor, for example, let's imagine this is a cell. This is a cell. This cell will grow, still grow. There is no check to control the growth of cells. So what happens? It is continuously growth takes place, and also not only growth, it is spread. It will spread to other parts of the body, next to cells. So some other cells are there. It will disturb the cells. So it will disturb the cells. It is spread to the other parts of the body. So tumor spread and growth to other parts of the body also. Now discover what? Secondary tumor. So growth takes place, it was stable, but sometimes what happens, the tumor cell will spread to the other parts of the body. So other parts of the tissues, other parts of the cells. Now discover what? Secondary tumor. This process is called what? Metastasis. For example, here one normal cell, so it is a tumor, now it becomes tumor. This tumor travels and affects the other parts of the body. It affects this tumor. Now what happens? It affects other parts of the body. Now this process is called what? Metastasis. So what is metastasis? The tumor will spread and grow to other parts of the body. Now it is called secondary tumor. This process is called what? Metastasis. This tumor continuously growth takes place, uncontrolled growth of cells. And now the structure is called what? Cancer. So simply you can say a normal cell has a check, but cancer cells will not have the check. It will continuously multiply and continuously grow, and not only growth, it invade the other parts of the body, it affects the other parts of the tissues. That condition is called what? Cancer. The process is called what? Metastasis. Are you clear, students? Now the tumor has two types. How many types? Two types. One is benign tumor, the other is malignant tumor. So what is a benign tumor and a malignant tumor? Benign tumor, nothing but it is a non-cancerous tissues. The cell will grow automatically, no problem, but it will not damage the tissues, it will not disturb the other parts of the tissues. It will simply grow, that's all. There is no harmful effects. It will not disturb the other structures, other tissues. Now this tumor is called what? Benign tumor or non-cancerous. It's not a cancerous cancer. It's a non-cancerous tumor. It is a non-cancerous tumor. Whereas a malignant tumor, the cell will grow continuously and divide. It will multiply number and also size also increases. But this tumor will invade the other tissues. It will invade the other tissues, the neighbor tissues. So slowly it will spread to the other parts of the body. Now this condition is called what? Malignant tumor. This is called cancer tumor. This is called actually cancer. It's not a cancer. This is simply a tumor. That's all. Without any harmful effect. But anything has disturbed the other parts of the tissues, other parts of the cells. Now it is called what? Malignant tumor. So we discuss what is benign. Benign tumor, nothing but non-cancerous tissues, capable of indefinite growth, and do not invade. Make the point. It do not invade other parts of the body. So the tumor will grow. So slowly it will grow in size, but it will not invade the other parts of the body. No, do not invade. Do not invade other tissues. Now this condition is called what? Benign tumor or non-cancerous tissues. Whereas a malignant tumor, the cells grow indefinitely and also detach from the place and migrate into the healthy surrounding tissues. So for example here, you see that, so here one cell, it will continuously grow, will take place indefinitely, cell will grow indefinitely and detach from this place and migrate to the other parts of the body. So migrate to it migrates, it invades to the healthy surrounding tissues. Now this condition is called what? Malignant tumor. Are you clear? Benign is a non-cancerous. It will grow, but will not invade. But do not invade the other tissues. But here what happens? Cell growth takes place indefinitely, detach from the place, and migrate to the healthy surroundings, tissues. This is what? Malignant cancer or malignant tumor. Cancer cells divides continuously, giving rise to mass of tissues called tumor. Here see, a normal cell, already I told you, a normal cell has a regulatory mechanism of cell growth. Each cell has a regulatory mechanism. of their growth. It will control the growth of the cells. It will control the size of the cells. So that what happens, it will not, continuous development will not take place. It has a mechanism, it's a regulating mechanism to its normal cell. Whereas in cancer cells, the mechanism is absent. The regulatory mechanism is absent. So that what happens, the cell has no check. It will develop, it will grow, it will multiply and also invert the other tissues. Now this condition is called what? Cancer cells. So it has a contact inhibition. It has a contact inhibition. So for example, just imagine this is a normal cell. See here, this is a normal cell. Okay, normal cells. So this has some contact inhibitions. When you grow, immediately what happens, the next cell is there. So it has a contact inhibition. So that what happens, it will stop the growth. So neighbor cell is there, so it has to stop. So this property is called normal cell. This is a property of normal. When it come to contact with other cell, it will stop. It has an inhibition. It has contact inhibition. So that happens, the growth will stop automatically by the regulatory mechanism. But in cancer cells, what happens? So this is just this cancer cell. Here one more cell is there, but there is no contact inhibition. Can be normal cells. This is normal cell. Whereas cancer cell, what happens? The contact inhibition is not present. Regulatory mechanism is also absent. So what happens? It will continuously grow. So it will disturb other cells. So there is no stop of dividing or dividing of growth. So what happens? It will disturb the other cells. It will invert the other cells. So this causes cancer.